that was literally my spookiest intro yet, and that is because these are some very spooky bows. I am going to show you this mummification process that I did with bao bread dough, and it just all goes around a store-bought seitan sausage that I got, and I flavored it with some teriyaki sauce and some sesame oil, so it's just really, really yummy, and oh my gosh, are they super, super cute. So I started with 1 1/4 cups of flour. I have a little bit of salt, a little bit of instant yeast, and then 1 teaspoon of sugar just to, get everything started. And then to that, I added about a 1/2 cup of warm water to this, and just stir everything together and then knead it for a couple of minutes until the ball is nice and smooth. So you're just going to let this rest in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours until it doubles in size. So meanwhile, I have the rest of the fillings. I actually have 2 vegan sausages that I've cut in half, some scallions, and then this is just your favorite teriyaki sauce that I've mixed with a little bit of sesame oil, and that just brings out all of the Asian flavors. So no need to knead this dough too much. I'm just turning them into oval shapes first before I roll them out. So how long you roll your dough depends on the length of the sausage. So you just want to kind of measure it and make sure that this oval shape is actually a little bit longer. And I'm just going to put right around a tablespoon of that teriyaki sauce on, and then on the bottom, a little bit of the scallions. And then what I'm going to do here is cut strips in the dough, and that will serve as my bandages. And how many you do really depends on how long your dough is, but just make sure that you have the same number of slits on each side. So we're really just going left, right, and making sure that each of the strips overlap one another. Now, once you get to the bottom, it is a little bit trickier, but just make sure that the last strips kind of point up instead of pointing down like everyone else. So you guys are gonna let these mummy buns rest for about 10 minutes. I have these candy eyeballs that I bought, but I was gonna say you can very much do it with any leftover dough that you have and just mix it with a little bit of black food coloring or maybe like charcoal powder. It was just so much easier to buy the eyeballs. So what I'm doing is greasing the bottom of this steamer so that the buns don't stick, and then afterwards you want to place this in a hot steamer with the water already boiling on, I'd say like medium high, too high for right around 12 minutes. Look at how gorgeous they look. Now, you might want to wait a couple of minutes if you are putting eyeballs that are made of sugar. And what I ended up doing was using actually a little bit of mayonnaise on the backs of these, and then they stuck pretty well. And I'm just putting some scallions and some red peppers and also toasted sesame seeds over all of this. But, you know, it's really just for decoration. It doesn't totally need it, but man, do they look gorgeous. Anyways, that's it for me, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. It was just really fun to make. As usual, if you like videos like this, remember to hit that thumbs up and subscribe button, and I will see you all again next time. Bye!